Welcome to Olympic Cellars Winery.
We are located on the North Olympic Peninsula in Port Angeles, Washington.
Today we are bottling the first vintage in the port style of our new Sailing Moon Ruby dessert wine.
Founded in 1979 in Sequim, the 15th winery in Washington State, we continue our heritage of making award-winning wines.
The grapes were grown in eastern Washington at Red Heaven Vineyard and harvested in September of 2013.
Port is made a little differently from other wines. As the grapes ferment, the sugars in the grapes are consumed by yeast and converted into alcohol.
How to make port. So we bottled this wine after only 6 months in the barrel. It's a young ruby style port. We've also got 3 other barrels of the same wine aging, and it will stay in the barrel for another year. So then it'll be a more tawny style maybe, but still on the ruby side of tawny.
When you visit our winery, you visit our home. We value the legacy that has been entrusted to us.
A 124-year-old barn, a 100-plus-year-old handcrafted tasting bar, farmland that we have preserved with a small vineyard and a 100-year-old bell that rings in the harvest.
You could say we are gracefully aging just like our wines.